Hello everyone, I'm pleased to be back and pleased you're back. I will be painting a couple of horses today, a mare and its foal, together. As per usual, I'll start with the background and then start painting the undercoat for the horses. This is my usual procedure. The young horse is a very light colour, whereas the larger horse is a dark brown, which gives them a good contrast. There's no need for me to go into a lot of detail at this stage because this is only the undercoat or the underlayer. But I'm endeavouring to make the brush marks go in the same direction as their manes. So I started out with a light coloured background and have decided to give it a bit more contrast and darken it up so that the horses show up a lot better. I'm using acrylic paints today. And just the basic colours like burnt umber, green or sap green. So I'm now defining the young horse, giving him a few shadows where he needs to have them. It's a slow process and it does take time. And of course, this is in real time. It's not sped up. Now, I've had another change of heart about the background, and I've decided to add a little bit of blue into it to soften down the tone. And now to give some form to the young horse, to show where the ridges are. If you are enjoying these type of videos and want to see a lot more, please subscribe so that you won't miss any further videos. I have lately been painting mainly animals, but if you would like to see a painting of some other subject, please let me know. So we're getting down to the nitty-gritty and getting into a bit more detail now. I don't want to overdo the detail, but it just needs to show where everything is. And now getting into the mane of the larger horse, I tend to flip backwards and forwards from one thing to the other when I'm painting. So you will see me dart from here to there from time to time. But the young horse is completed. So it's a matter of, if you so wish, to trace your image onto your paper or canvas, or put a grid, start off with. Any of these ideas are quite good, and then you've got something to work from. There's no need to make the whole thing difficult for yourself and spend a lot of time drawing if you haven't got the skills. So using different tools is a good idea and will save you a lot of time and heartache. So the large horse is now getting some more definition and shadows around the muzzle and the nose. And it also gives it plenty of contrast. I'm working on an A4 300 GSM paper. So it's a pretty good thickness to take the acrylic paint. I have a large book of the papers, so I'm going to use them for different subjects that I have planned. And I find it a very useful paper. So I'm just touching up some more of the muzzle area where it needs finishing. Horses, in my opinion, are beautiful animals to paint. They make brilliant subjects. And sideways on, they're not the difficult subjects to paint. Once you have your drawing done, you can focus on the details and get things in their right place, and you have the makings of a beautifully painted animal. So there we are, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. And just one last thing is to remove the tape, which is always a very satisfying thing to do. If only it would come off in one go. So take care, everyone, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.